Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video. Today we're showcasing 20 new woodworking tools on Amazon you needed yesterday. From smart cutting solutions to time-saving gadgets, these tools will upgrade your workshop instantly. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, get ready to discover must-have gear that boosts speed, precision, and creativity. Cut-off tool. The Makita cut-off tool lineup covers everything from compact handheld cutters to heavy-duty saws for demanding jobs. The popular 18-volt LXT 3-inch compact model is perfect for one-handed cutting of pipes, tile, and sheet metal in tight spaces. Larger 14-inch benchtop saws handle rebar and metal studs, while powerful 40-volt XGT cutters tackle masonry and thick materials. With features like AFT, safety shutoff, XPT protection, and reversible rotation, Makita ensures precision, safety, and durability. Dowel maker and tenon cutters. They're old school. Dowel maker and tenon cutters, DAB013, are compact drill-powered tools designed for creating precise wooden dowels and tenons from 1/2 inch square stock. With interchangeable cutter heads, 8mm and 10mm, they offer flexibility for different joint sizes. Built from durable carbon steel, they handle both hardwoods and softwoods efficiently. A heat-resistant base enhances safety, while sharpenable blades ensure long-term use. Ideal for DIY ERs and professionals, it delivers consistent custom joinery with ease and accuracy. Isoloc C joint. The Leigh Isoloc C template is a precision joinery accessory designed for Leigh dovetail jigs, enabling woodworkers to create stunning, non-linear joints that are nearly impossible by hand. It features two artistic patterns, ellipse and wave, for unique drawer and furniture designs. With the variable guide bush system, users can fine-tune joint tightness with extreme accuracy. Compatible with D-series jigs, it uses a standard 5/16 inch bit, delivering clean, professional, and decorative woodworking results. Laser measuring tool. The CIGMAN laser measuring tool lineup delivers versatile solutions for both DIY users and professionals. Models range from compact pocket devices to advanced long-range units with up to 393 feet accuracy within plus or minus 2 mm. The bilateral series enables simultaneous dual-direction measurements, while outdoor models feature a 4x zoom camera for bright conditions. Many tools include green laser beams for enhanced visibility, USB-C charging, and multiple measurement modes like distance, area, and volume, making them efficient and reliable for modern projects. Framing tool. A framing tool is essential in modern construction, covering both layout precision and fast assembly. Spacing tools like stud jigs and framing squares ensure studs and rafters are perfectly aligned at standard intervals such as 16 or 24 inches. Meanwhile, power tools like framing nailers boost speed and efficiency by driving large nails into structural wood. Framers also rely on hand tools like hammers, speed squares, and chalk lines to complete accurate professional quality work on every project. Stair measuring tool. The SUNLFPROD. Stair measuring tool is a smart modular jig designed for precise stair tread and riser measurements, especially in uneven spaces. Built from durable 4mm aviation grade aluminum, It features adjustable angle scribes and extension rods for wide measurement ranges. Its laser-etched markings ensure accuracy, while damping washers provide smooth adjustments. Ideal for stairs, shelving, and tight corners, this tool saves time and improves fit, though beginners may need practice for best results. Pocket-Hole Jig. Kreg Pocket-Hole Jigs are the industry standard for angled joinery, offering models for every woodworker. The 700 series, 720/720 Pro, delivers professional benchtop precision with ARTYMASTER clamping and GripMax anti-slip features. The 500 series, 520 Pro, is versatile with a 360-degree swiveling handle, ideal for panels and pre-assembled furniture. Compact 300 series jigs, 320/310, are perfect for DIY projects and quick repairs. Kreg systems feature hardened steel guides, easy-set drill bits, and dust collection ports, ensuring clean, precise, and repeatable pocket holes every time. ToughBuilt Pull Saw. The ToughBuilt Folding Pull Saw, TB-H4-21-2X, is a compact Japanese-style pull saw designed for both precision and durability. Its dual-edge blade offers 17 TPI for fine finishing and 7-10 TPI progressive teeth for faster, heavier cuts. The patented folding mechanism safely stores the blade in the handle, making it portable and tool bag friendly. Built with a flexible high-carbon steel blade and reinforced steel substructure, it ensures straight, effortless cuts for detailed woodworking or flush trimming in tight spaces. Heavy-duty floor cutter. The NAACOO Heavy-duty floor cutter is a manual dust-free tool designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. It easily cuts laminate, vinyl, engineered wood, SPC, WPC, bamboo, and parquet flooring without electricity. Available in 13mm and 17mm cutting thicknesses with a maximum width of 13 inches. It supports 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees angles. Made of durable aluminum alloy, it features a tungsten steel blade, one-step cutting, floor-friendly wheels, and safety chain brake, ensuring precision, portability, and safety for every project. Aluminum Small 8-in-1 Carpenter Square. The Aluminum Small 8-in-1. Carpenter Square is a versatile, compact measuring tool designed for woodworking accuracy and efficiency. Made from anodized aluminum, it resists rust and wear while remaining lightweight and easy to carry in a tool pouch. This square allows quick marking of common angles such as 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 30 degrees, and 60 degrees, along with additional preset angles using precision drilled reference holes. Many models include a center finding function, scribe holes for layout work, and laser etched markings for long-lasting readability. Ideal for both professional carpenters and DIY users, it streamlines marking, measuring, and layout tasks in one convenient, durable tool. Seika Cabinet Hardware Doweling Jig. The Seika Cabinet Hardware Doweling Jig is a convenient and adjustable tool designed to help you install cabinet knobs, handles, and pulls with precision and speed. Made from durable, rust-resistant aluminum alloy, it features a self-centering guide and easy-to-read scales for accurate hole spacing and consistent alignment. The jig supports multiple common spacing sizes and allows adjustments for edge distance, making it suitable for drawers, doors, and cabinets of various styles. Its foldable, portable design makes setup simple and storage effortless. Ideal for DIYers, installers, and professionals. This jig helps eliminate guesswork and ensures clean, repeatable results on every project. OriGlam 10 pieces wood carving chisel set. The OriGlam 10 piece wood carving chisel set is a budget-friendly toolkit designed for beginners interested in wood carving, whittling, and DIY craft projects. Each chisel features a carbon steel or chrome vanadium blade with a ground finish and bevel edge for basic shaping and detailing. The wooden handles are smooth and comfortable, helping reduce hand fatigue during extended use. This set includes a variety of tip shapes, making it suitable for practicing different carving techniques. While ideal for hobbyists and light-duty tasks, users may need to sharpen the blades before first use. Best suited for learners rather than heavy professional work. SACA Multifunction Scribing Tool. The SACA Multifunction Scribing Tool is a compact, all-in-one marking solution designed for woodworkers, craftsmen, and DIY enthusiasts. Made from durable aluminum alloy with an anodized finish, it resists rust and deformation while staying lightweight and portable. Its adjustable structure allows it to perform multiple roles, including parallel marking, deep hole marking, compass drawing, profile scribing, and edge copying. The clear scale ensures precise measurements, and it comes equipped with a pencil, extra leads, and a built-in sharpener. While highly versatile and space-saving, some users report that the locking mechanism may slip and that it requires some practice for best results. ARTYMASTER 3 D Multi-Angle Measuring Square Ruler. The ARTYMASTER 3D Multi-Angle Measuring Square Ruler is a compact and highly versatile tool designed for woodworking, DIY projects, and light engineering tasks. Made from durable anodized aluminum alloy, it combines the functions of a rafter square, triangle ruler, and angle gauge in one. It allows precise 3D measurements, marking length, width, and height, with laser engraved scales that resist fading. Multiple preset angle holes, a built-in pencil sharpener, and included Carpenter pencil refills add convenience. While some users note minor calibration adjustments may be needed for perfect accuracy, it remains an excellent budget-friendly choice for anyone who values precision and portability. FEEKE Contour Gauge 12+5 inch with lock. The FEEKE Contour Gauge 12+5 inch with lock is a versatile shape copying tool set designed for woodworking, flooring, tiling, and other precision fitting projects. With both 12-inch and 5-inch gauges included, it allows you to accurately duplicate large curves as well as tight, detailed spaces. Made from durable ABS plastic reinforced with an aluminum core, it features upgraded, thinner pins for improved accuracy. The metal locking mechanism ensures the trace shape stays secure, while adjustable pin tension offers customizable control. Easy to use, simply press against the surface, lock the shape, and trace. Ideal for crafts, construction, auto work, and DIY projects. Milescraft 1332 Joint Mate. The Milescraft 1332 Joint Mate is a user-friendly handheld doweling jig designed to help woodworkers create strong and accurate joints without complex setups. Ideal for corner, edge, and surface joints, it works with boards from 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inches thick. Its self-centering design ensures perfect alignment every time, while hardened steel bushings, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch prevent bit wandering for clean, precise holes. The adjustable fence makes it easy to set consistent drilling depth, and its compact size allows convenient one-handed use, even in tight spaces. While some users may prefer clamping for added stability, the JointMate remains a reliable and affordable doweling solution. Milescraft 1-3-2-4 Pocket Jig 100. The Milescraft 1-3-2-4 Pocket Jig 100 is a compact and budget-friendly pocket hole jig designed for repairs, small woodworking projects, and tight workspaces. Its reinforced nylon body and 15-degree drilling angle help create strong, hidden joints in wood up to 1.5 inches thick. The jig includes built-in thickness settings for common board sizes, simplifying adjustments without extra measuring. A recessed clamp pocket with a rare earth magnet keeps your face clamped steady while working, while the hardened steel drill bushing ensures clean, accurate holes. The kit includes a 3/8 inch step drill bit, stop collar, and T20 driver. Ideal for beginners and DIY repairs. GemRed Aluminum Digital Angle Finder. The GemRed Aluminum Digital Angle Finder is a versatile 2-in-1 measuring tool that combines a digital protractor with a precision ruler, making it ideal for woodworking, construction, and DIY projects. Built with durable black aluminum, it resists rust while providing clear, easy-to-read markings. Its digital LCD display delivers accurate angle readings with plus or minus 0.3 degrees precision and 0.1 degrees resolution. Measuring angles from 0 degrees to 360 degrees, it works for both inside and outside angles. The locking screw lets you hold and transfer angles easily, while the hold function helps freeze measurements. Lightweight and portable, it runs on a CR2-032 battery for convenient use anywhere. Wolfcraft Countersink Drill Bit Set. The Wolfcraft Countersink Drill Bit Set is designed to deliver clean, professional results when pre-drilling and countersinking holes in wood, plastic, and select metals. Known for precision and durability, these bits often feature adjustable depth stops to ensure consistent countersink depth and prevent surface damage. Many sets include a 1/4 inch hex shank for fast bit changes, along with 3 sharp cutting edges for smooth tear-free results. Whether you're preparing screw heads, creating dowel joints, or deburring edges, Wolfcraft offers versatile options for DIY and professional use. Made in Germany, these sets are appreciated for their reliability, accuracy, and long service life. BINYATOOLS Magnetic Wristband. The BINYATOOLS Magnetic Wristband is a practical accessory designed to keep screws, nails, drill bits, and other small metal parts within easy reach while you work. Featuring 9 strong neodymium magnets, it securely holds hardware to prevent drops and lost pieces during projects. Its breathable neoprene construction and built-in thumb loop provide a snug, comfortable fit that stays in place without sliding. Some versions also include small pockets for non-metallic items like anchors or zip ties. Lightweight and adjustable, it fits most wrist sizes and serves as a convenient third hand, especially useful when working on ladders or in tight spaces. WEARXI Aprons for Men. The WEARXI Apron for Men is a durable heavy-duty canvas work apron designed for woodworking, crafting, grilling, and everyday workshop tasks. Made from abrasion-resistant polycotton canvas with reinforced double stitching, it provides excellent protection against sawdust, stains, and splashes. The adjustable crossback strap design distributes weight evenly, reducing neck strain during long work sessions, while the quick release buckle allows easy on and off. Multiple pockets and compartments keep essential tools, pens, phones, and accessories within reach, with some models including additional loops for hanging gear. Versatile, comfortable, and built to last, this apron is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike.